So I got a couple of packages today, which I'm very, very excited. These are already like routine subscriptions. Hold on, I'm taking the dogs out. Bear with me here. Okay, so as I was saying, these two are subscriptions. These are maintenance here. This is my seed subscription. It's a good bacteria probiotic. So we'll open that in a little bit. And then this is from Jaws. This are refills. These are great, guys. They are eco-friendly, chemical-free. You're not smelling anything. You're not inhaling any nasty chemicals. They are safe for everyone. And because I do have quartz countertops, this actually works very well with quartz. So very clean, eco-friendly, safe, chemical-free. So this one I'm most excited about because these are from the brand G2G protein bars. 18 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, gluten-free, which is a plus. Let's open this baby up. So there it is. Ooh, ooh. You get over 8 packs, a variety packs, grab and go. Certified gluten-free, organic ingredients, freshly ground nut butter, easy on sensitive stomachs, which I love. No preservatives, no artificial ingredients, no palm oil, no sugar alcohols, no chalky aftertaste, which I'm always looking out for that because 99% of the time protein bars have that chalky aftertaste, which nobody likes. So refrigerate for freshness, good for 30 days on the go. So you get a peanut butter coconut chocolate. That sounds so delicious. Peanut butter banana chocolate, which okay. Peanut butter chocolate chip. Then you have the peanut butter and jelly. What? Oh my gosh, it throws me back in the days when I was in elementary and middle school. Oh, this looks very, very delicious. Almond oatmeal cookie. Then you have the almond coconut, which I love this. I love the almond and I love coconut together, so I can't wait. I hope these are really, really good. Almond chocolate chip. And then you get the almond mocha. If I do like them, I'll keep purchasing them, but I'll definitely go ahead and bring some to my daughter so she can definitely go ahead and try it out. I'm completely done because I took my last ones yesterday, which you do take 2 a day. This is the package that it comes with. And then you just open it up and pour it. Now, I'll show you the pills, how lovely they are. Focus, there you go. They are green. And then my Jaws household cleaner products, I'll definitely go ahead and I'll show you how they look. These are pods, refills. So what you do is you just put one of these with water and you're ready to go. I'll show you. My spaghettis are waiting for me. For instance, this is the refill bottle, but it tells you exactly how much of water you need to go about. And then you put your new pod and you just see that lovely yellow. It's just so fascinating. Go check it out. It's really nice. Again, if you just want to look, do your own research, educate yourself, and if it works for you, and it's so affordable. They're cheaper than you getting the Lysol Clorox cleaner. These are my spaghetti protein pasta. I'm gonna be placing some cluster lashes, but these are a bit different. These are like cat eye because it's a cat eye look. So all of these are left sided and then these are right sided. Look how nice that is. 12. I got 12 lashes. It's been a while that I don't put cluster lashes on my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give them a go, but they look really, really light. That was easy enough. All done. Look at the difference. Oh my goodness. Do you see the difference? I love them. So light, so easy, so comfortable. One of the most comfortable cluster lashes that I have ever put on my eyes. They look so natural. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Okay, so very easy. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. These are gonna be my go-to from now on. I forgot the ice. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one.